Hello, Professor. For this midterm test, I implemented this. I've implemented this code, this project. It's same as the assignment 2. Inside the server, we have the config folder, which has the models with the books model, and inside the because we have to fully implemented the crowds. So first of all, I created the books template and added, and details are the same as the list. Edit, so it's exactly same as the assignment 2, except the authentication part. So I connected the views to route. As you can see here in the route, properly I connected the each page together, like for yes, for getting details about the ad page, I rendered that, and for posting the ad page, it's the code. We have title, description, price, and author and genre in our database. I've exactly implemented the whatever I had in the database. So our collection name is books. Our database is books 229. It's here. Yes, it's here. Books 229. This is URI which I connected to Mongo Atlas. So let me here, the functionality of the page, it's working properly. If I add a title, for example, I don't know, title, let's type something. I don't remember anything. Price like 45, and author is like something. This is something. Yeah, it's added, and when I want to delete it, for example, the price to like 30, it's worked. When I delete, it's warning. Sure, yes. Thank you. This was about the midterm test. Thank you, Professor. Have a good day.